Metro Manila Film Festival 50th edition Gabi ng Parangal continues here at the Soler Grand Ballroom.
Such a star-studded celebration. We are honored to be surrounded by greatness tonight. Everybody in this room.
Just look around.
Right?
Exactly. And Tim, speaking of greatness, it's time to present our next special award made in the honor of a legendary actor and pillar of the Filipino film industry.
To present this special award, let's welcome on stage former MMDA Chairman Sir Francis Tolentino, together with the Philippines primetime superstar and queen of teleseries. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Miss Judy Ann Santos.
The special award was first presented in the 2012 for Star Cinema's One More Try. At ngayong MMFF 50, isang pelikula ang muling gagawaran ng parangal na ito.
Malapit po sa aking puso ang espesyal na parangal na ito. It was such an honor to be able to work with an icon. Isang haligi ng industriya, ang aking tatay sa pelikula. At ngayong gabi, we continue his legacy as we present the Fernando Po Jr. Memorial Award for Excellence.
And the nominees are, and the breadwinner is, number 2, Green Bones, number 3, My Future You, number 4, The Kingdom, and number 5, Topak.
And the Fernando Po Jr. Memorial Award for Excellence goes to... Topak!
Nathan Studios.
To present the award is Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Good evening. Gusto rin namin malaman kung ano nga yung FPJ Award para at least ma-inspire din kami kung ano ito. Anyway, kung wala explanation, siguro in-assume namin dahil action pelikula namin and Fernando Po, so mabuhay ang action ng pelikulang Pilipino. Hey! And of course, I have me here, my gracious and very supportive na producer. And of course, our new action star is born. So I would like to introduce you, Arjo Artaide. Yay!
Yun po, nasabi na ni Direk. Anyways, I guess, given that we are the most action-packed film this Christmas, thank you for this recognition po, MMDA, sa lahat po, sa jury, sa lahat po ng nandito, sa lahat ng artista. May we give all genres a reason to come back this Metro Manila Film Festival. And yun lang po. Again, I'm so happy to see everyone. It's like a big reunion. Very much privileged to be on stage. Again, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa Topak at sa lahat po ng pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Gusto ko lang share sa inyo na dinala namin to last year sa Cannes, sa Locarno, sa Austin, Texas, sa Spain. Pinalakpakan po to at hinangaan ng mga taga-ibang bansa. Kaya ang sabi ko nga kay Direk, bakit hindi natin dito ipagmalaki sa sariling bansa natin? Kaya nag-decide kami na isama namin dito sa Metro Manila Film Festival. At Metro Manila Film Festival, maraming salamat na tinanggap nyo kami kahit baguhan lang kaming producer. Yun pala ang panalo na kami doon. First attempt, nakapasok kami. Maraming salamat. At gusto ko lang din sabihin sa inyo na ni isang artista, hindi kami dito nagka-problema. Importante po sa producer, meron kaming buong cast na ang gagaling at ang babait nilang lahat. So from Arjo, to Julia, hanggang sa kanila lahat, hanggang staff and crew ko, namin ni Direk, hindi kami nagka-problema. So maraming salamat. Team Topak, crew, staff, lahat. So, yun lang po at gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, umpisa pa lang to ng Nathan Studios. 2025, papasok kami ulit. Yun, so, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po.
Congratulations, Topak! Aabangan namin yan sa 2025, Miss Sylvia.
Yes,
Oo.
and also we'll put the description later sa caption namin. Okay? Don't you worry, Direk. Congratulations!
But wait, quick trivia. Guys, alam niyo ba, Jasmine's 2014 film Bonifacio, ang unang Pangulo, also won this award.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Gabby. O,
Yes.
diba? Fun fact for tonight, that was 10 years ago, guys. So it's amazing to see the MMFF in its full glory tonight. Kaya guys, nakasama ko din naman doon sa pelikulang Bonifacio, ang unang Pangulo, ang isa ring haligi ng industriya natin na si Mr. Eddie Garcia.
Wow, what an honor. So guys, you know what? Coming up, we have more fun facts and special awards and dapat yung abangan.
Yes, all that and more sa pagbabalik ng MMFF 50 Gabi ng Parangal. Welcome back to the 50th edition of the MMFF Gabi ng Parangal.
Through the years, napanood natin ang iba't ibang pelikulang sumasalamin sa kultura ng ating bansa.
That is right, Jazz, and this special award is presented to films with great cultural value.
And to present this special award, let's welcome MMFF Executive Committee member Miss Boots Anson Roa, together with award-winning actor and perennial leading man, Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. They say, art imitates life. Yan ho ang sining ng pelikula. Mga kwentong sumasalamin sa ating buhay, sa lipunan at kultura ng bawat Pilipino.
And this special award is given in honor of the founding father of the Metro Manila Film Festival to recognize films that represent our culture to the world. Ito ang Gatpuno Antonio J. Villegas Cultural Award.
And the Gatpuno Antonio J. Villegas Memorial Award goes to... Sabay tayo?
Sige po. The Kingdom!
Woo!
Ano mo?
To present the award is Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Mr. Piolo Pascual, you need to join me here. Kasama ka rito, kasalanan mo rin to. Maraming salamat guys. Isang malaking karangalan para sa aming lahat. Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng The Kingdom, it is a great honor to be able to do this film. Siyempre ngayon, medyo siniswerte tayo, but a lot of people did not believe in the project in the very beginning. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako to the ones who did believe. Kasi yun naman talaga, in the face of everyone saying that Philippine cinema is dying, it is reliant on us, yung mga dreamers, yung mga makers, yung creators, na ituloy ang laban. Kaya maraming salamat po.
God bless you.
When we return, the winners of the Best Actress and Best Actor Award will be revealed only here on the MMFF 50 Gabi ng Parangal.